Hello, Java enthusiasts, and welcome back to the Java programming journey. This week, we're delving into 4 practical Java applications. One will be a wage and overtime application that helps us calculate discounts, a character length application, and a pay rate application. All right, so for project 1, we're going to go ahead and look at our assignment. As you can see, I have it pulled up. And the first project we're going to work on is wages and overtime application. So using the example below, use a scanner class and allows the user to print or user to input the number of values. When entering the data, enter the exact numbers as shown below. So basically we're going to type this up into NetBeans and run it, and hopefully everything goes according to the program. But we do need to input a scanner. So we'll jump into NetBeans and input the scanner and run the code. All right here in NetBeans, as you can see, I got the code typed out. Basically just copied everything from the Word document from the assignment. Now we're going to go ahead and run it. Everything looks fine, so it should run perfectly. The wages for this week are 1,375. And that's pretty much it for that one. I'll leave this screen up for a moment so you can open NetBeans yourself and create the same application if you like. Just to go over some of this in here. So we got double. We're basically defining these right here. So our base pay, which will equal 25. And then our regular wages is a calculated regular wage. Regular hours, 40. Overtime pay, 37 hours, 37 and a half hours. And then overtime hours, 10. And then here's the formulas we enter in order for the program to calculate the 1,375. So for the regular wages, we're going to do base pay times regular hours, overtime pay times overtime hours, total wages or regular wages plus overtime wages. And then the system out print line. This is what we want to see once we run the program. So wages for this week are, and then the dollar amount plus the total wages. And that's what we have here in the output. Okay, that was easy enough. So let's go to project 2. As you can see, I printed screen as instructed. Let's go to project 2, and this will be a discount application. Using the sample below, use scanner class and allow the user to input the number of values. When entering the data, enter the exact numbers as shown. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plug this into NetBeans. This is what our output should be. So let's jump into NetBeans real quick. All right, so with NetBeans open, I already completed the code on this one. Public class discount application. Of course, you got to have public static void main string args. And then up here, as you can see, I imported my scanner. So scanner for object for user input, scanner equals new scanner system.in. And then one of the instructions was to prompt the user to enter the regular price. So here, the system will print into regular price. So this will populate, and it's a double. So regular price equals scanner next double. Then we have calculate the amount of a 20% discount. So it'll, based on the regular price, it'll calculate a 20% discount. And here we have the formula, regular price times 0.2, which is 20%. Then we have the double. Again, sale price equals regular price minus discount. So calculate the total sale price by subtracting the discount from the regular price. So once it calculates that 20% discount, you're going to subtract that from the regular price. Then display results. The regular price is what the user enters. Enter the 20% discount amount, and then it'll calculate the total price. So let's go ahead and run that real quick. So we'll run file. We want $59. Then right here, regular price $59. Discount amount $11.80. Sale ending sale price $47.20. And that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna go to, I did my print screen here. Now we're gonna go to project number 3. So using the following example, return the lengths of your first and last name. See example on the program outlet below. So all this program is gonna do is basically tell you how many characters your name has. So for this one, Herman has 6 characters. So basically all we're doing is typing this out and then entering our name and then making sure it calculates how many characters my name has. So let's open NetBeans. Alright, so for this one I pretty much just re-entered this code. String name equals my name, and then int string size. Int means integer, so string size equals name point length system out print name plus has plus string size. So it's an integer, right? So string name and then size the integer, so it counts how much it is. So plus characters. So let's run it and see how that goes. Alright, so Arthur Shetler has 16 characters, and there you have it. That one's really simple. Alright, we're gonna go down to project number 4. Alright, let's see. Using the example below, replace Herbert Dorfman name with your name. Include the scanner class where the program will ask the user to enter pay rate, hours, and employee number. Calculate the pay with hours and output the employee number with the total in dollar format. Enter 100 for the pay, 44 hours, and employee number of 123. So we got a little sample right here. Let's go over to NetBeans because I already completed this. For some reason, I actually recorded me writing the code, but for some reason I lost the file, so I'm just going to show you guys the finished product. Alright, so here we are in NetBeans. Let me go ahead and pull this up so I can see. And as you can see, I got my scanner here. And just to reiterate, the import scanner is a package which is used to take the user's input. So if you want the user's input, you need to have that scanner in there. Variable named your name, and it assigns a value, my name, Arthur Shetler, and that's the value of it. And this is just pretty much a comment. And here's our scanner that is used for reading the input from the keyboard. So when it prompts your user for, let's say, example, their name, this will read their input. So if I put my name Arthur, it'll read it, and then yeah. And system out, this line prints a welcome message to the console, including the value of your name. Same thing here, or same thing with these. You input the pay rate, hours, and employee number, and that's where the user enters that. And then it calculates the total pay. And this is the formula, pay rate times hours. And here's our output, employee number with total pay in dollar format. So system out print line, employee number, it'll give you 123. And then total pay, does the math for you, it gives you a total pay. So let's run this really quick and see. All right, so as we talked about earlier, welcome Arthur Shetler. Let's enter the pay rate. Let's see what the pay rate was on, forget what the pay rate was. Okay, so the pay rate was 100. Hours worked 40. Then the employee number was 123. Then we're gonna get our output. Total pay is $4,000, and employee number 123. Yep. There you have it. That was also pretty simple. Well, there you have it, everybody. I hope you liked this video. I hope you found some value in it. And if you have any critiques, anything that I could improve on, or if you just want to leave a comment for anything at all, just go ahead and drop it in the comment section. If you'd like to see more of this content, subscribe. And if you really like the video, drop a like. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you have a good Labor Day weekend. Peace.